Yes, students, as in the last class, we were solving the exercise number 3.2. In that exercise, we have solved till question number 4. So now today, we are going to solve the next questions. And these all questions, you must have seen that these questions are related with the product of the different number, and these numbers are decimal numbers. So how to multiply the different decimal numbers? So in this one, see, till 5 we have done. Now today, just see question number 5, and that is what? Question number 5, just see what is given. Find the product of the given decimal number. This question is what? Find the product of given decimal numbers. Decimal numbers. And what are these? Question number A, 3.03. Question number A, 3.03 multiplied by 1.09. 1.09. Question number B, 1.507. 1.507 multiplied by 12.9. 12.9. Question number C, 0.689. 0.689 multiplied by 17.5. 70.5. And question number D is 23.08. 23.08 multiplied by 2.3. 2.3. In this question number 5, A, B, C, D, 4 questions are given to you, and that is related with the product of the different decimal numbers. So solve one by one. Take solution of question number A, 3.03 multiplied by 1.09. So this product is very easy. Decimal numbers product, whenever you are going to multiply these decimal numbers, so first don't consider the decimal. Without considering the decimal in ordinary way as you were doing earlier, multiply them, and after that where to put the decimal, this I will tell you later on. First do the simple way, 3.03 multiplied by 1.09. So don't consider decimal. From the 9 you multiply, 0 you multiply, and 1 you multiply without considering the decimal places. So when you are multiplying 9 into 3, it will come 27. Put the 7 here, and 2 is carry. Now 9 into 0, 0, and 2 carry. So here 2 carry you will add, so it will come 2. 9 3 is 27. Now this tens place you try to multiply. So whenever you are multiplying by tens place, so don't write any number below the ones place. So here put this one, and 0. जब 0 से किसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो व्हाट विल कम? 0. If it is multiplied by any number, always it comes 0. So 0 से these 3 numbers what will come? This will come all 3 numbers 0. Again by 1 you multiply, so here nothing, here nothing, 1 3 are 3, 0 and 3. So this is the product of 3.03 into 1.09. It's clear? Now in this multiplication, what you have done? Don't consider the decimals. Without considering the decimal, first in ordinary way multiply all these two numbers. Now just see what is coming here. 7, 2, 7 plus 3, 10, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3 and 3. Now this is the product. Now the main question is where to put the decimal. After multiplying, just see where to put the decimal. So in each both numbers you count after how many places the decimal is here. So in first number 1, 2 places के बाद decimal है. Here also after 2 places 9 and 0 decimal is there. So 2 place this and 2 place this. Add this one. 2 plus 2 4. So after multiplying, put the decimal from the right side 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you put the decimal. So what the answer is coming? 3.3027. So this is easy. अगर इस नंबर में से किसी में मान लीजिए इसमें डेसिमल नहीं होता तो हम 2 प्लेस के बाद डेसिमल पुट कर सकते थे. दोनों नंबर में यहाँ 2 प्लेस के बाद है, यहाँ 2 प्लेस के बाद है. सो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग पुट द डेसिमल आफ्टर 2 4 places 1 2 3 and 4. So this is the answer of question number A. So this is answer of question number A. Same way you start B. Again take one more example. B 1.507 into 12.9. So 1.507 into 12.9. In this one, same way as I have told you, don't consider decimal and do the multiplication in simple way. 9 7 is 63. 3 you put 6 carry. Now 9 into 0 0 plus 6 6 and 9 5 is 45. 5 4 carry. 9 into 9 plus 4 30. After this 9 you start multiplying by 2. So this is the decimal place. Here in one place don't put any number. Now 2 7 is 14. 4 from 1 carry. So 1 2 0 0 plus 1 1 and 2 5 is 10 and 2 1 is 2 plus 1 3. Again from 1 7 is 7 0 5 1. So add all these things. 3 6 plus 4 10, 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7 13 plus 1 14. 1 carry. 3 plus 1 4. 1 plus 3 4 4 plus 5 9 and 1. So this is the product of these two numbers. Now again same way, where to put the decimal? See, in this number after 3 number decimal place here and here 1 number. So 3 place and plus 1 place. Add these numbers. So 4 place. So finally you will put the decimal after 4 place. 3 place इसका और 1 place इसका. इस दोनों को जोड़ने के बाद हम पता कर सकते हैं कि कितने डिजिट के बाद हमको डेसिमल लगाना है. क्लियर? So 1 2 3 4. So decimal will come here. This is the answer of question number B. Again C D. 2 more questions are given here. This you try yourself. 2 I have solved and same pattern the 2 more questions are given that you try do yourself. It's clear? Now so question number 5 is completed. In this one homework I am giving question number C and D. Do yourself. In the homework copy अपने आप इसको ट्राई करो. And if you have book, so you have the answer also. If you don't have, then you can consult with the me what answer will come after this question. ठीक है? So this way 2 क्वेश्चन हमने सॉल्व कर दिया है और 2 क्वेश्चन तुम लोगों को अपने आप ट्राई करो. Now we will proceed in the next question. What is the next question? See question number 6. Now question number 6. Question number 6, what is there? Find the area of the square of side 3.45 meter. Question number 6. Question number 6. What is this? Find the area of a square of side, a square of side 3.45 meter. 3.45 meter. This is the question number 6. एक स्क्वायर है, इसकी एक साइड दी है. As you know that in a square all the sides are equal. This is a square. What is called square? A figure which is bounded by 4 sides, and these all sides are equal. This is called square. One side is given how much? 3.45. 3.45. So area. Now solution में क्या है? Area of square, you know the formula. Area of square is equal to how much? Area of square is side square. Side square. अगर किसी स्क्वायर की साइड हमको पता है, चारों साइड बराबर है, कितने साइड की स्क्वायर है अगर ये हमको पता है, so we can find out with this formula. Area of square is equal to side square. And here side is given 3.45. Side is given 3.45. So if you do 3.45 square, so 3.45 square means 3.45 into 3.45. This you multiply here. So 3.45 into 3.45. 5 5 are 25, 5 4 are 20 plus 2 22, 4 5 are 20, 4 4 are 16 plus 2 18, 4 3 are 12 plus 1 13, 3 5 are 15, 3 4 are 12 plus 1 13, 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10. 5 5 are 25, 5 5 4 are 20 plus now 5 2 20 2 का 1 plus 3 4 plus 3 1 3 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9 1 1. So here again 2 प्लेस ये और 2 प्लेस डेसिमल, 2 प्लेस इधर लो है और 2 प्लेस इधर, इनको काउंट करो. So after 4 place put the decimal. So 1 2 3 4. So here answer will come what? 11 point. This is 9. 11.9025 and meter. Area unit is meter square. So this will be the answer of question number 6. So area of square is coming how much? is coming 3.2. 3.2. 3.2, that is question number 11.9025. Okay. Now question number 7. Just see question number 7. In question number 7, this is the answer of this one. Question number 7. Find the area of rectangle of length. Find the question number 7. Find the area of rectangle. Find the area of rectangle of length of length 12.25 meter, 12.25 meter, and breadth is how much? 7.35 meter. 7.35 meter. Solution. Question number 7 is find the area of rectangle. In question number 6, find the area of square. Square का एरिया का फार्मूला है एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इक्वल टू साइड स्क्वायर. अगर साइड पता है, बट इन द रेक्टेंगल लंबाई और चौड़ाई डिफरेंट होता है, तो लंबाई और चौड़ाई जब तक दोनों नहीं पता होगा, वी कैन नॉट फाइंड आउट द एरिया. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल? सो हियर राइट area rectangle is equal to length into width. So length is how much? Is given 12.25 into width is given 7.35. 7.35. So this you multiply as you have done already. How to multiply the decimal numbers? So after multiplying, whatever will come, that will be the meter square, because this is given in meter. So area is always written in square, so that will come that much square meter. And that also you do yourself. That also you try yourself. So whatever will come, do yourself. That meter square area, that will be the answer. Do yourself. Product I have told you already. Next question. Question number 7 is completed. And this answer will come, again I am giving answer to you also, 90.0375. 90.0375 meter square. So 90.0375 meter square. Next, question number 8. Now just see, question number 8 is what? Question number 8 is, if the cost of 1 kg almonds, question number 8, if the cost of 1 kg almonds, 1 kg almond is rupees 325.50, is rupees 325.50. Find the cost of 11.9 kg almonds. Find the cost of 11.9 kg almonds. 11.9 kg almonds. So here solution, cost of 1 kg, 1 kg almond is equal to 325.50. How much rupees it is given? 325.50. So therefore, cost of 11.9 kg almond is what? 1 kg का दाम इतना है तो 11.9 kg का दाम, it is more, so you have to multiply. So multiply कितना हो जाएगा? 325.50 into 11.9. This much rupees that you try yourself and find out the answer. And answer is also I am giving. This will come 3,873.3000. Answer will come 3,873.45 इतना rupees. So this way your exercise number 3.2 is completely finished. So in this one, try yourself, complete your homework. So here homework is given. Complete exercise number 3.2. This is your homework of today. Thank you all. Thank you.